Hello, today I'm in Alfa Romeo Stelvio. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel, thanks to which we can activate the highway assistant and adjust the distance from the following car. Next we've got the panel, thanks to which we can activate cruise control and manage it. Then we can activate hill descent assistant. On the right side we've got the panel, thanks to which we can answer and the calls and activate voice assistant, change menu on the instrument cluster, navigate through it, and change volume of the radio. Of course, if you press right here you will use horn, and if you press this button you will start and stop the engine. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.